Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our top 10 baking tools and equipment. Whether you're a beginner baker who's just starting out or a master chef who's already a master of their craft, using proper baking tools and equipment is just as important as having skill and experience on your side. This is because having the right tools in your arsenal will make your life so much easier and will bring you the best output as well. In this video, we'll be going over 10 of the highest rated baking tools and equipment on the market today, so you can just sit back, relax, and take your pick after watching. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the baking tools and equipment that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first baking tool on our list is a FineDine mixing bowl set. Mixing bowls are used for storing and kneading doughs, preparing and mixing ingredients, and more. For this reason, we highly recommend investing in this set of mixing bowls from FineDine. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the FineDine mixing bowl set a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: size for every task, with a range of 6 sizes from 0.75, 1.5, 3, 4, 5, and 8 quarts. These metal mixing bowls add versatility and functionality to your kitchen. Stainless steel finish. The bowls feature an attractive stainless steel mirror finish that provides an elegant look to enhance your kitchen. Ergonomic design. Their wide rolled rims allow for drip-free pouring and a solid grip. The flat bases provide balance and stability for mixing dough, whipping creams, and more. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is not that thick. The trade-off for having a lightweight package is the bowl's thinness. This is not a deal breaker, however, and should not deter you from purchasing the set. The second baking tool on our list is the Snowyee flour sifter. The Snowyee flour sifter is used to sift or separate clumps of flour, cocoa powder, and more. If you're planning on getting a flour sifter for your kitchen, then you'll not regret choosing this one. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Snowyee flour sifter a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to use. The sifter's handheld design provides a simple sifting experience for any baker, cook, or chef. Stainless steel material. Made with real stainless steel, this sifter is completely resistant to rust and will withstand daily use. High volume and lightweight. The sifter is impressively lightweight, given that its capacity is 7 ounces. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is not dishwasher safe. It's now dishwasher safe, so you'll have to stick with hand washing it after every use. The third baking tool on our list is the BASIX Rolling Pin. This rolling pin from BASIX is a cylinder used for evenly flattening every kind of dough, which is an essential utensil in baking. Having said that, this is definitely worth of being considered a baker's best friend, so don't skip out on getting this one. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the BASIX Rolling Pin a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: all-around rolling pin. It can easily knead dough to the intended thickness for both beginners and experienced bakers. Ergonomic design. The rolling pin comes to the perfect length and size for rolling your dough and storing it away. Smooth rolling. It's professionally designed to allow easy grip and ensure smooth movement. The comfortable handles also offer ease of use and control while rolling various types of dough such as bread, pastries, and cookies. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is a bit sticky. Dough may stick to the rolling pin from time to time, which requires a bit of learning to work around. The fourth baking tool on our list is the KitchenJoy Pastry Brush. The KitchenJoy Pastry Brush can be used to spread butter, oil, or egg wash on food. Made of silicone, these will easily wash and provide a convenient cleanup after every baking session. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the KitchenJoy Pastry Brush a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: ergonomic design. Designed to have the perfect weight and balance, this pastry brush will sit right at home in your hand. Dishwasher safe. With a removable head and silicone bristles, this pastry brush is very easy to wash and is dishwasher safe. Multiple uses. It can be used for a plethora of kitchen tasks, from being a pastry brush for cakes, pies, and bread to basting meat and vegetables. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it may not work well with olive oil. Unfortunately, there aren't enough bristles to hold olive oil, so it may end up dropping it all within the first couple of seconds. The fifth baking tool in our list is the Rachael Ray Bakeware Set. Thanks to the Rachael Ray Bakeware Set, you can have all the essentials to bake like Rach. With just one purchase, you can virtually bake all kinds of pastries and food without any additional purchases. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has ordered the Rachael Ray Bakeware Set, a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: durable heavy-gauge steel. Built to withstand heavy use, this bakeware set can last a long time. Oven safe. You can bake and roast to your heart's content with a bakeware set being oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Non-stick pans. This set of high-quality non-stick baking pans allows you to bake with convenience. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is not dishwasher safe. You cannot put these in this dishwasher, so you'll have to hand wash them. The 6th baking tool in our list is the Gorilla Grip Mitt Set. Having oven mitts to protect your hands from touching hot objects like ovens and baking pans is really handy when baking. For this reason, we recommend this mitt set from Gorilla Grip. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has ordered the Gorilla Grip Mitt Set, a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: durable silicone construction. Constructed of durable silicone, the mitts are slip-resistant, helping you to get the best grip while you cook. Honeycomb texture pattern. The unique textured honeycomb pattern helps you hold tight to pans, pots, and baking sheets without hindering your natural grip. Heat-resistant and waterproof. They offer maximum protection from high temperatures of up to 484 degrees Fahrenheit and are also waterproof. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is too smooth on the inside. They're pretty smooth on the inside, which makes them comfortable but very slippery. The 7th baking tool on our list is a Simply Gourmet measuring set. Made from high-quality stainless steel that lasts for years and matches your other modern kitchen appliances, the Simply Gourmet measuring set is definitely a worthwhile purchase for any baker at any stage in their career. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has ordered the Simply Gourmet measuring set, a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: dishwasher safe. Designed with high-quality stainless steel, these dishwasher-safe measuring cups are built to last a lifetime. Eliminates guesswork. The flat base design of this measuring cup set with spoons prevents any spillage or mess. Universal measuring. This measuring spoons and cups set aren't just universally useful, they're universally readable. Both the standard US measurements and their metric equivalents are engraved on each measurement. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is short handles. The cups are surprisingly short with little handles, but have worked well for all intents and purposes. The 8th baking tool on our list is a Pyrex measuring cup set. These fabulous measuring cups from Pyrex ensures you'll always have the right size in hand. Each cup has easy-to-read measurement markings in red for a glance measurement. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has ordered the Pyrex measuring cup set, a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: complete set. The 4-piece measuring cup set includes 1 cup, 2 cup, 4 cup, and 8 cup versions for all your measurement needs. Durable and reliable. Their durable, high-quality tempered glass is dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and preheated oven safe. Non-porous glass design. Thanks to the cup's non-porous glass construction, it won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is handle design shortcoming. The handle only attaches in one place, which can be a bit of a nuisance for some users. The 9th baking tool on our list is the Etekcity digital scale. The amount of some ingredients like sugar, flour, and others need to be measured very accurately. Thus, we suggest getting a baking scale that helps you ensure the results of the food, such as the Etekcity digital scale. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has ordered the Etekcity digital scale, a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high-end sensor. Compared with other 4-sensor tablet scales, it has a more steady reading so you can have precise and consistent results. User-friendly design. An oblique LED display makes reading the numbers at any angle very easy. Rechargeable battery. The scale features a rechargeable battery and comes with a USB-C charging cable. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is loud startup noise. The noise when you turn it on can be a little loud for some people, especially in the mornings. The 10th baking tool on our list is a KitchenAid stand mixer. Stand mixers help automate the repetitive tasks of stirring. They can be used not only to whip the eggs and liquid ingredients, but also to knead the dough by using a dough hook. For this reason, we're recommending the beloved classic, the KitchenAid stand mixer. Trusted ShoppingGuide.com has ordered the KitchenAid stand mixer, a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: sturdy and durable. The stand mixer is durable and built to last with its metal construction. 10-speed settings for any task. From mixing ingredients together on stir speed to whipping cream at speed 8, you'll get thorough ingredient incorporation every time. Ideal for small or large batches. With a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, you can mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is mixing bowl blind spot. The depression in the bottom of the mixing bowl forces you to continually remove the mixing bowl and turn the ingredients over with a spatula so that the ingredients in the bottom of the bowl get incorporated into the mixture. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated baking tools and equipment, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next baking tools and equipment roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.